In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure workload capacity on Monday.com. Whether you're new to this tool or just looking to enhance your project management skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, once you've logged into Monday.com, you'll find yourself within your workspace. Now, let's focus on the left side of your screen where you'll see a blue plus sign button. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Dashboard. Creating a dashboard is an essential step in organizing your workflow and gaining insights into your team's performance. After selecting a dashboard, consider naming it something specific and relevant by clicking into the text box. This small step is incredibly helpful, especially when managing multiple projects, as it allows you to keep everything well organized and easily accessible. Once you've renamed your dashboard, click the Create Dashboard button to finalize this part of the setup. The next important step is to choose the board you intend to connect to your newly created dashboard. This connection is crucial because it imports all the data you'll need to accurately assess workloads and ensure you're getting the most from your team. Now that your board is selected and connected, simply click Done to finalize this setup phase. Your dashboard is ready and waiting to be customized further by incorporating useful widgets. To do this, click on Add Widget. If the options displayed initially do not meet your requirements, select More Widgets to explore a broader array of options. In the search field, type the word Workload to locate the specific tool you need. Once it appears, check the checkbox next to it and then incorporate the Workload widget into your dashboard by clicking Add Widget. The Workload widget is an incredibly useful tool. It enables you to measure and allocate resources efficiently across your projects. With the Workload widget, you can set individual capacity limits for each team member and monitor how tasks are distributed within your team. This feature plays a crucial role in balancing workloads to ensure no team member is overburdened. Achieving this balance is key to promoting productivity and efficiency throughout your projects. And just like that, you've set up an effective system for measuring workload capacity on Monday.com. By following these straightforward steps, you now have a clear visual representation of your team's workload, making it much easier to manage and adjust tasks as needed. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident in your ability to streamline your project management processes using Monday.com. Thank you for following along and happy planning.